Hi everyone, welcome to African Garden. My name is Shola. Alright, I'm just going to show you about my potted pomegranates right here in Nigeria. For those of you that another way that you don't know, Nigeria is in Africa. So this is precisely Port Harcourt in Nigeria, and you can see pomegranates are growing. I mean, they are even in pots. This particular tree has about almost 30 fruits now. We've already harvested like about 35. Earlier on, I've harvested twice on these trees and other trees, but you can see they're doing pretty well. This variety, it's a local variety. I don't know the origin, but I took air-layered seedlings from another state about almost 2 years ago. So. And we've been propagating other seedlings from this unknown variety. But the good thing about this variety is it's very sweet, very, very sweet. Like I've said earlier in my other videos, pomegranates, they're very healthy fruits. As a matter of fact, everyone should have a pomegranate tree planted in their house. For example, it battles high blood pressure. It helps out with prostate cancer, and it helps the men that are suffering from erectile dysfunction. And you know, these are not just claims; these are scientific claims that have been tested and proven. And I am a witness. I mean, I don't use my blood pressure medicine again. This is what I take. I just take a glass of pomegranate juice every day, and I'm good. All right. So just to show you around, so this is just one tree. You can see it still has plenty of fruits. So I've been trying to get other varieties as well. I have some interesting varieties from Kenya. They are not as big as this variety. What I'm planning to do, we're going to register this variety sometime maybe late this year or early next year, so that we give it an official name in Nigeria. All right? So you can come around. Let me show them some other interesting stuff. Okay, so this is still that same variety. You can see this one is even a daughter of the other one. This is about a year old. The other tree I showed you earlier, that's about almost 2 years old. We took this as a young seedling about a year ago from the first tree I just showed you. So this is a Kenyan variety. I bought it from somebody that imported it. But what I noticed is they're quite small. They're not as big as this one. This is another Kenyan variety. But this particular variety, look at the camera, there's something that's interesting about it. See, the shape of a fruit is round, but on the same tree, we have other pomegranates that are square-shaped. Can you see on the camera? So I'm wondering what happened. I mean, the best answer I can give is perhaps some form of cross-pollination happened along the way. Maybe it was cross-pollinated with mine. That's what I guess. Look at another square-shaped pomegranate. I mean, it's very interesting. It's a square shape. And look at this one. It's what's it called? It's a round-shaped pomegranate. All right. So I have almost about 40 trees in my house. I still have them in my office as well. I mean, I love pomegranates, and like I said, everyone should have pomegranates in their homes. A lot of people are wondering whether it grows in Nigeria. Yes, it grows in Nigeria. I mean, it doesn't need much taking care of. It's a very hardy tree. Here we don't have winter, we don't have snow, so it fruits all year round. So I'd like to encourage everyone. I mean, even if the house is not your own, you can just get pots like I have. Okay, this is my house, but in fact, if I have to leave the state where I am now, which is River State, to go somewhere else, I just put them in the truck and go there. So I even prefer planting in pots, because then you control what goes into the pots. You control the nutrients the plant has, and then you're mobile, so you can decide to take your trees with you anywhere you want to go. All right.